Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your conversations and chats on the Deepseek AI application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Deepseek AI application on your device and you will be taken into the home page. If you tap on the menu icon at the top left, you can access all of your previous chats and even search for them using the search box. Now, if you wish to clear your chats, you may long press on any individual chat and then tap on the delete button in order to clear it. You will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete this chat. You can tap on the delete button and it will be removed. However, if you have a lot of chats and you want to remove them all at once, then from the main menu, tap on the three dots alongside your username. This will take you into the settings page, and from the settings, underneath profile, go into data controls. And now over here, you will find delete all chats. Tap on this button, and once again, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete all of your chats. Tap on the delete all button, and after confirming, your chats will be cleared successfully. Now, if you go back into your chats page, you will not find any chats. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your chats and conversations on the Deepseek AI application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.